All right, good morning, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to watch this video, and this will show you, this will be our tutorial to set up our Google Doc so that we can start drawing our portraits for our portrait project. What you're going to do is you're first going to click on Unit 6. Okay. When you get to Unit 6, you are then going to go down to Unit 6, Lesson 3. You are going to click this assignment right here, and you're going to see this word portrait, and you're going to see that it is a link. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on this link, and what's going to happen, it's going to allow you to make a copy. Okay, so you're going to click make a copy, and this will create your own copy of the document. The next thing that you're going to do is what I highly suggest you do is you take this zoom in feature and you drop it down to either 75 or 50%. Then what you're going to do is you're going to open another tab and you're going to go to Google and you're going to search for a celebrity, a athlete, a singer, someone who's very recognizable, and you're going to then find their image. I chose Anthony Davis, who's one of my all-time favorite NBA players. And there's a couple of images that you want to look for. You want to find a front-facing photo, and you want to make sure that it is kind of long, okay? And the reason why is if you choose an image that's very square and wide, it's going to really throw off your proportions. So you really want to choose an image that is long, just like this one, okay? So you're going to go copy. You're going to go to your grid. You're going to hit paste. And what's going to happen is it will kind of drop you down to a second page. It's really important that you click this button where it says wrap text. You click that and you should be able to, it should reset your image. So what you're going to do, you're going to take this image. I have to move it a couple around. You're going to take it, set it right here, and then you're going to enlarge it by clicking the corner right here all the way across until that blue line hits the edge of the paper and extend that forward. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to move this grid over to the corner just like so, and extend that until that bottom meets the bottom of your paper, okay? And what you have now is you have this image in which you're going to draw from. So you're going to use this image to create your portrait of your celebrity / athlete / singer.